come out so nicely. The absolute precision and speed of Raul shows you he has been doing this for years and has never given up on his hobby of dismantling old tables.
Try not to breathe it.
Just not trying to breathe it, says the skilled videographer who is known for his large large clock he has in his house. Let's move on to when the skilled videographer gets his hands dirty. Watch this strong man destroy the remains of the upper portion of the table.